Welcome to our channel.
Kanalımıza hoş geldiniz.
Over 4,000 shops under one roof. This is the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul today. I'm walking inside with my camera to show you around, explore the streets and enjoy the atmosphere together.
Oh. You can lose yourself.
Yeah, we lose ourselves actually.
Even if
I know we are going to seaside, that's why no problem.
Even if you live in Istanbul 10 years, you can still confusing this market.
Yeah.
It's so big. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this one. You should not check your bag. Your small bag. I remember my bag there. Here, you need to check your bag also.
If you buy here, they will sell you 1,000.
Because of what? Camera?
No, it's all touristic. And camera also is 500 lira extra. Hold your camera nicely, you're shaking too much.
When you have a camera
You
there.
need to check here where you're taking the picture. And walk like this. Give me this one. I will hold you, you will only see from there where you're going.
Takım elbiseler burada. Bugün Sweetman, jacket, sacco, wading suite, komplet.
So,
Look where you're taking.
I'm looking, babe. Don't worry.
You need to see this one where you're taking.
I'm looking. Babe.
After you only take the
This
picture.
market. Look at the price also. They put price on top. Oh. Eh. Wow. Wow. Istanbul is amazing. Amazing. Can you believe, guys, market like this? There's a shop. Too many bags. It's okay. Maybe because they have fabrica. There were too many clothes, bags. You can get tired only even to watch this. This is Istanbul vibe.
For me, I also get tired directly.
Istanbul
This thing is
vibe.
never finished. You cannot finish for buying.
Istanbul vibe. Wow, look at the dresses around here. And they cannot say and change the price because there's a price on it.
Yes, some of them, yes.
Oh, there's a bag for when you need to travel. This is the underwear. And there's a camera around. Everywhere's camera back. Look. Oh, camera. Otherwise they can steal it easily. But this is look like it. Not so original, of course.
Imitation.
The bags. Oh, look at how so many bags around, guys. Oh. So, your bag, babe?
No, look, I'm not buying this. It's very crazy. Main Street, do you think they're gonna sell you a good price?
Why?
Hi.
There's a price, babe, on it. They cannot not change.
They're gonna have it. But is Main Street price different than the normal street price? So this time so far.
This nice dress, actually.
Show the inspiration.
Look at that. Wow, look at this fashion. Istanbul fashion. Istanbul vibes. Wow.
No problem.
People doesn't like pictures. People doesn't like videos, but anyway, I can still showing you a guy's very nice dress. Istanbul is the best. I'm telling you. Video yasak.
Yeah, normal. Not everyone like it.
Yes. Last time it was passing here.
Yes, you remember that.
Yeah, I remember this shop. I remember where I was buying my clothes, huh?
You was buy the bed curtain here. Look.
Ah, yeah. Yes. So.
Soluğundan el aldım ben.
There's the clothes, there's towels. 200 towel. Very nice towel actually. Very nice flower. I remember my shop. Let me see if they have something for me. Wow, look at this one. You cannot get also hungry in the street. You can buy something to eat, to drink. How many minutes left? 7 minutes.
Oh, the
This market is so big. You cannot look at the top. Wow, yeah. You call it Michenyero.
Binlik var, nişanlık var, bindallı var, kanalık var.
Last time I bought red meat. Where are the people?
no, behind. Abi en büyük hangi bed var? Yok.
Wow. Look at how it's so shiny shop here. So people also buying street food. You can see they're drinking something, they're eating, smoking. So Istanbul vibe today is like this.
Yes.
So corns also, you can buy corns, you see? You cannot get hungry. This is look like it tastes like a sweet potato. This
Yeah,
is small
exactly.
black, I love it. When you get hungry in the street, buy one corn. If you don't need to go in the restaurant, you see? Wow.
It's popping, but
Yeah, but
That's good.
it really tastes nice.
exchange office also everywhere. Okay, change. The carpet, wow. Ah, last time we bought carpet here. It's the other side, but it's look the same. So we can go outside. Okay. This is Mısır Çarşısı. Now we are going near there. Before we go, close this video and open the new one.
Okay. So bye bye. See you in the next. This is how Istanbul look like. Let me show you around. How Istanbul look like. Istanbul street food. Look at how it's interesting. So wow.
Istanbul is small.
This is Istanbul beauty.
Put this one inside of your hand. Someone going to take it.
Istanbul beauty. You're welcome to Istanbul beauty.
Now we are going to Grand Bazaar side.
Yeah, Grand Bazaar is so amazing. where you can find the main things and the quality and the very friendly budget.
I lie.
No, some
Grand Bazaar
part.
too crazy expensive.
Some part. There's a touristic price. There's also local price. Look at guys. Oh, look at this train, how it's so long. How many meters this one? Let me compare.
Maybe 50.
Wow.
It's not only Turkish.
This is a touristic area actually.
Yeah, more than half is African.
African?
In that city, which is we pass full African.
Yeah, but here there is not too many. What is the African here? Can you show me even one? Let me see. Down here there is a where there is located too many African living there. Also they make a cargo. They're selling the products. They send many things from here to Africa. Yeah, that's good. I found this one Muzungu here. This one, Africa guy.
He's kidding.
Yeah. So this is train.
So let's pass the other side.
Where?
You're gonna pass the Grand Bazaar or not?
I don't think.
How are you gonna go to this side? Video call.
Okay, let's pass. Let's pass also.
Actually, I can jump on here and go to home. More nice for me. I can enjoy my life in home, watching my
For me, I need to enjoy my life here. Look at guys. Look at the Istanbul beauty. Ooh.
Yeah, this is Beyazıt Square.
Beyazıt?
Beyazıt, yeah, Beyazıt Square. And most of touristic locations in the near Istanbul. Don't look too much fast.
Ya ben zannettim o eski dekotları.
You can find the food, drink, everything
Street
this
food.
corner.
Yeah.
And of course this side is double or triple price for touristic.
Touristic, yeah.
Yes.
When you, for example, water, 1 liter water, how much?
Like 40, 40.
40 Turkish
Yes.
lira. It's $1.
Yes.
And then when you go to
No local price.
the local price,
It's like 3 lira.
yeah, 3 lira.
3 lira is like 10 cents.
10 cent dollar. You see? Of course. So how many this minute have? Because I don't need to make a big video. I need to also to make
Show the Grand Bazaar entrance.
Grand Bazaar, yeah. So now we are going to Grand Bazaar, which is the biggest market in Istanbul or Turkey?
No, this is the...
You want
Abi,
one
this
nice
Turkish,
t-shirt?
gider misin?
The biggest market is this one, here Istanbul.
No, this is the first.
I have t-shirt.
Abi, Türkçe istemiyorum.
Wow.
Because of everyone think I'm Turkish YouTuber.
Yes, they need to tell you, they think you are touristic, baby.
Yeah,
Because you are together with the Muzungu, me. So this is the biggest entrance, the biggest market in Turkey.
Dükkan. But don't speak too much because they take you here and they don't leave you.
This is Istanbul beauty, biggest market in Istanbul, where you can find everything. Look at the gold, guys.
Here is gold shop city.
Only
This-
gold shop.
Gold diamond in this city. So, guys, if this kind of shop in your country, only one glass,
They can move.
show them. Diamond, gold, show them also. Yeah.
Wow. I'm telling you, Istanbul is
So
Sounds so amazing.
if it's in your country, what's gonna be? How many minutes it take to going to steal?
we're gonna sleep on it.
For example, New York.
Hi, remember this shop? Last time I come take picture here. We was together with Fabian.
He want to date with Fabienne.
Yes. This is office changing.
Because of extra people. Now inside people doesn't disturb you. But when you go outside, hey, people want to buy this, want to buy. In 3 seconds, 3 people come.
Hey, look at it, guys. Look at the gourd. Look at the gourd, huh? This is gourd. This is spices. No, it's snacks, actually. Oh, you know, my eyes, I'm getting shining because of this gold also. Woo!
So looking at it, not expensive for free. You can look.
Yeah, you can look. You can go and taste.
But don't buy inside of here. Tell them, don't buy inside of here.
Yeah, don't buy inside here, guys. No, you can buy. Wow.
No. Same what they buy. What they buy, same thing. In the outside of here is half price. Here is too much expensive, that's right.
Yeah, too much. Probably they didn't in the dollar. They cannot accept it. Turkish lira. Impossible.
So, Turkish lira more valuable, that's why.
Turkish lira is like a Congolese money. Oh my God, the brown. Imagine if right there, how it's gonna be. Okay. Baby now.
Hi, welcome.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Bu ne kadar?
Hangisi bu? Bu mu?
Aha.
Sana hediye
güzel.
video çektiğin
Oo,
için.
çok güzel.
Hediye gift for you.
Yeah,
You speak Turkish?
Yes.
I like your necklace.
Teşekkür
Kolyen
ederim.
çok güzel.
Teşekkür ederim.
Bu nerede yayınlanacak?
YouTube.
Bu amcam benim de. Lokum dükkanımız var. Eğer isterseniz lokumda yardımcı olabilir size.
Tamam,
Buyurun,
teşekkür ederim.
merhaba.
Merhaba, hero. Türkiye güzel. İstanbul çok güzel. Hepsi güzel var. İstanbul tabii güzel. Wow. Look at them. Enjoy this market, guys. It's still too big. You cannot walk and you cannot finish. Only maybe 1 month. Every day you can walk. Maybe you can finish. But for now, I'm just showing you small one. Everybody. So, wow, look at guys. Shining. So let me close this video for now. I'm gonna continue to show around. Let's explore together another place.
Welcome.
So now I'm gonna close.
Thanks so much for joining us on this walk through Istanbul Grand Bazaar. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more adventures round this amazing city. See you in the next video.